Perfect. Today, we're creating our very first SAP UI5 application in Business Application Studio. Honestly, I started my Fiori journey the same way, learning step by step from Anubhav trainings. Okay, let's start.
Here, and BAS is already pre-configured here. So I go to my BTP trial account, click here on this account. Then we see here instances and subscriptions. So we click on this link and we see one subscription, SAP Business Application Studio, already subscribed, and we click on this link. Then we zoom in here a little bit and we click on the button OK. After that, we see here an intro message, and here we create a new dev space. I call it my UI5 dev. Then on the left side, we pick here SAP Fiori. And on the right side, we see here some additional SAP extensions. So I'm not sure if we need some of these extensions, but I check them all. So yes, like this and this and this. After that, we click on the button Create Dev Space. So now the dev space is starting. I have speed up this a little bit. Now it's running, and now we can click on my UI5 dev. Okay, now let's check this box and click on OK. And now we open the Business Application Studio. Okay, we click here on OK. Then we extend this here. We click and we drag it here, and then we see the button Create Project. We click on this project. Here we have different templates. In our case today, we click on SAP Fiori Generator. Click on Start. And here, another templates, pages, lists, but we pick the basic template. Click on Next. We do not have a data source, so we click on the pull down menu here and we pick None. Next. Then we can choose a view name. I type here Fiori App 1, then on Next. And here some other project attributes. And here we change only the application title. All the other attributes we leave default. Then we click on Finish. So some dependencies are installed here. Okay, here we click on the button Add Project to Workspace. And then we see the development environment. We see on the left side the structure of the project, the different folders and files. And so let's close the Welcome tabs here. And now we click right mouse click on the project, then on Preview Application. And here we type in Start and then No FLP. Then we see another tab is opened, and in this tab we see the updated application. So Fiori App 1, the application name. And now on the left side, let's click on Web App, then on the folder View, and then on the file Fiori App 1.view.xml. And here we see the XML content tab. And in this tag, we can write some other code. For example, we want to display some text. So I write here text, then text is also the value hello first Fiori app, and then we close the XML tag. Then we have here a problems tab. We see text mismatch. We have to write this uppercase. And then we have another problem. We need here an unique ID. We can generate one if we click on right mouse click. So, and if we click on the tab, we see the updated Fiori app. Here we see our added text. And we can test or check here some other samples. For this, we open the website ui5.sap.com. Then we click on samples and featured controls, for example, the input control. Then on feed input, and here again on feed input, and here we see some examples. And if we want to see the code behind these examples, we click here on this icon with the brackets. And now we see on the right side the view.xml code. And for example, let's copy some XML code here, the label and the feed input. And let's paste it in our app. So we paste this code here. We see the problems tab, 2 more messages, and we need a unique ID again. For this, right mouse click, generate a unique ID. Then there are no problems. Then we switch to the tab and we see here the app updated Fiori app. So we see here our input field. Yes, that's pretty nice to test some code and to see how it's rendered. SAP UI5 is a powerful framework for developing web applications, and the Business Application Studio provides here a great environment to develop and test these applications. This short video should help you to get a small taste of BAS. Yes, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple SAP UI5 application in the Business Application Studio.